So today we're going to be putting the clutch in, and that's really it, but I got some new parts. So I got an EBC clutch. I think I was like 120 bucks or so. So I was like kind of the cheaper one. But so I got that soaking in the oil right now. And I got right here new gasket, or clutch cover gasket. This is new chain guides and chain rails, new idle screw, and new grips. These are kind of sweet with the gold and the black and white. So I'm gonna start draining the oil in the bike, and then pop the clutch cover off and get down to it. This is gonna be the first time I'm ever doing a clutch, so hopefully nothing goes wrong, and give you guys some tips, I guess, on what not to do. All right, guys, it seems to have an oil leak. I don't know, I gotta figure that out, but dang, this dude had it cranked down. Holy crap.
Dang.
I got oil all over the tile. All right, guys, so I got the oil all drained. It was pretty bad. It was really black. So next, I'm just gonna take the brake pedal off. I gotta figure out what size it is. There we go. Oh geez. It's gonna be fun. There we go. That's a lot easier. Yeah, I think it's got a little oil leak, so I'll figure that out. I think it's just coming from the drain plug, so I might need a wash or something. I don't know. I'll figure that out. But this clutch is so bad. Oh, I gotta get the spring off. There we go. I polished the, I don't know if you guys can see that. I polished the kickstart. Let me know if I should do a video on polishing too, because that's really easy, actually, so. Oh, I should get the oil pan over here. So. All right, another tip is, show you guys in a second. You see how it's missing the top one right there and the bottom corner right there I just took out. Kind of make like the same shape right there so you can know which one goes back. Is that better?
I'm hoping I can get a ride in before it starts raining. Hopefully I can. No, supposedly the reviews on this clutch seem to be really good, so hopefully it doesn't crap out on me. It's gonna be so nice to just have a fresh clutch, so.
Okay. So it's not actually in the RMs, it's not actually a gasket. It's actually like a little, what do you call it? O-ring, I guess you could say. So, I mean, that's kind of trash because I bought a new one. It's like $7, so I would just might as well do it. But what is up, guys? I'm back Go follow my Instagram. Had to get the story. Link will be in the description below. Oh, I should probably put it in gear, right? Let's see. See, this is not my first. Or not my... There we go. These springs shouldn't pop out, but I don't know, so. Alright, no, they didn't, so that's good. That is good. I think they're all the clutch spring bolts are the same. Oh no! Amateur move. Oh, that sucks. Yup, amateur move. The oil pan on the bottom was not a bright idea. Dang, man. Okay. Well, I'm glad the paper towels are right here. For all you people in the comment section telling me oil's gonna give me cancer, try me. Alright, so alright guys, so I figured this out. First thing is you're gonna want to do, first one's gonna be a fiber. And then we'll do a steely. There's supposed to be like a sharp side on some of them, but this one is the same on each side, so. So just get that then, just work it in there. Just to be safe. make sure everything's in proper working order. That's so much better. Alright, now I gotta find the new O-ring for the, there it is. Got a Wiseco O-ring kit for the clutch cutter because I didn't know how bad it was gonna be. Wasn't too bad, like maybe I could reuse it if I wanted to, but let's go. Wiseco stickers. Gotta love the stickers, of course. You know.
I think I got it. Oh my fucking god. Alright, is it seated?
That should be good. Before I put the back brake on, I'm gonna fill it up with oil, make sure nothing's leaking or anything. Alright guys, so it'll say right there on your case if you have a two-stroke, 750 milliliters. I'm just using some 10W, hold up, 10W30 full synthetic motor oil. As long as you got, like, you don't need, you know, as long as you got like decent oil in there, you should be fine. Like, this thing's an 04, so I'm pretty sure it's good.